All right, we're segueing. We keep seeing sign for PEZ Visitor Center. So now we're just kind of driving around the back roads of Connecticut looking for something that says PEZ. So bear with us. Side quest. PEZ. Alright guys, here we are, apparently in front of the PEZ Visitor Center. Drove past this place, me and my foodie friend Paul. Paul, say hi. Hello. And okay, so I don't know if they're going to allow us to film inside. I don't know what this place is. This was a complete spur of the moment thing. So I guess let's get some PEZ. All right, guys, listen, I'm super excited with this. We got the okay. We're gonna do a video in here with PEZ. So, here we go. So we have the world's largest PEZ dispenser behind me, right there. I'm gonna give a quick, so it's a self-guided tour. And it'll give you throughout time behind me, all the little different areas, and yeah, so I'm going to enjoy this. So the video is not going to be super long, but we'll definitely film some highlights.
And show us the development of the character of the PEZ.
Alright, so what's behind me now is the PEZ bike that Orange County Choppers did for the company. Let's see if we can get in there. I'm going to turn the camera around. There we go. Alright guys, they have a phenomenal display here. This was just a quick side quest, so by all means, this is a absolute hidden gem. I will put the address below me here. Definitely stop by. It is a quick stop. I would say you could probably maybe make it last for about an hour if you were stretching it. It's not that big, but there's a lot to see. I've got my shopping basket and I'm about to spend way too much money on PEZ. So yeah, I guess here we go. The merch area is great. All right, carry on. See you soon. All right, guys, got my bag of merch from the PEZ store. Paul, what'd you think?
I thought it was excellent.
Yes, it was great. This is definitely somewhere where you should stop. Kids or adults, whatever whatever you are, you'll be a kid again. You'll be still a kid. Got my bag of merch. Got some stuff for my nieces and stuff for myself. And all right, continuing our journey in Connecticut. Off to lunch. See you there. Or maybe we'll stop somewhere else. We don't know. We're just kind of playing it. So, see you soon. Bye.